Welcome everybody, my name's Dallas. Glad you guys could make it. Want everybody to have a great time. Number one thing, be safe. Wear your PFD at all times.
Come out to the lake. So we just ask a blessing for everybody that's out here. We ask for safety, and we just ask for a great day on the water. In Jesus' name, amen. Amen.
Amen.
Let's do it.
Nah, although that is what I said last year when I got a big fish. I told everyone I didn't catch anything, but then I caught a big ass fish, so.
What are you trying to tell me now?
Nothing.
I'm fishing for an hour and a half and not one bite. I'm convinced that it's my superstitious belief that if I don't pick up trash, I won't catch any fish. So, I'm gonna pick up some trash and then I'm gonna catch a 10-pounder. Got it.
All right, now I can catch one. I managed to cast all the way up here. Stupid. I don't know how the hell I managed to cast all the way up here, but I figured why not come up here and get my $40 swim bait. It's a nice view though. Oh! Got 17 inches. Yeah. You saw, right?
Hold on, I gotta write this in.
I told you. Foot of leader on my drop shot.
Fool. That's dope, fool. I'm gonna catch another one, fool.
I believe you, man. I hope you do.
You're on camera, by the way. Say what's up, dog.
Pass away.
We just got one in the boat. Now we're gonna catch like 10 more.
Bald eagle.
All right, good deal. Ryan.
Pot soup.
Thank you.
There you go. So $75. Here, you take
Thanks,
that,
sir.
and that's yours for your wall.
Perfect.
All right, smile. You've been here before. And here's your another plaque and another $150. Dennis,
Dennis!
you're the winner.
I'm all gonna make it here.
Well, there you got a little grab bag. Thank you. There's some baits and some hats.